When selecting vinegar for your dressing, you have several choices. Red wine vinegar offers a sharp tang and is ideal for robust salads and meat marinades. White wine vinegar has a milder flavor and is perfect for delicate salads. Balsamic vinegar, whether traditional Italian or California style, is versatile and can be used as a dressing, marinade, or glaze. Apple cider vinegar adds a lightly sweet yet tangy taste. Champagne vinegar is the mildest option, well suited for delicate salads and fruit-based dishes. Vinegars that don't work well for salads. Plain white vinegar, while affordable, is best used as a household cleaner rather than in salad dressing due to its overpowering taste. Sherry vinegar works well in sauces and soups, while rice vinegar complements Asian-style dishes. Malt vinegar is popular in the UK and pairs well with fish and chips. Lastly, black vinegar adds a deep, smoky flavor and is commonly used in dipping sauces.